Welcome to my channel Vision's Review. So today I'm going to tell about the complete review about the freebie cash. So first, before giving the complete review of freebie cash, I am going to tell you something different. So have you ever walked into a mall and seen a food store giving out free samples? Unless you have living under a rock, I would guess you have. This practice is pretty much commonplace worldwide. If I go into the biggest shopping mall in my city, there are only one particular food store that is handing out free samples day in and day out outside that store. So, what do you think they do this? It certainly isn't because they are happy to give their food away for free with nothing in return. That wouldn't make business sense. For every 100 people that the store hands a free sample to, 25 to 30 of them will go inside the store and purchase a product. That's a 25-30% conversion rate. So luckily I have found an amazing app that applies the same mechanism that will guarantee revenue in return. So let me introduce about the freebie cash and let me show you the interesting features in this review. So keep watching. So first, what is FreeBCash? FreeBCash is a brand new automated three-click DFY system. Means that allows you to make money giving away by freebies and turn it to a cash without selling any product. And this is the 100% beginner friendly, zero maintenance costs and zero production creation, content creation or work required. So this is the fastest and the laziest way for anyone to truly make online without going through those tedious stuff or creating any product. So what are the best features of freebie cash? I will show you the complete demo of freebie cash app. I have already access of freebie cash, so don't worry about that. I will show you the full demo of freebie cash. Okay, so before that I am going to tell you about the features. So what is the features? Freebie is a brand new automated software based on the cloud. You get paid by giving away world class done for you uh, products for free. It has zero product creation, content creation or work required, or you can create multiple income streams on complete autopilot. It has 100% free high quality traffic generation built in and 100% beginner friendly. 100% satisfaction, you get paid for helping people. It has zero maintenance cost and affordable monthly subscription, just pay once. And its price is very low. First, it gives fast proven results. See results within an hour of getting started. Okay, so now go to the freebie cash demo part. So here is my dashboard of freebie cash. You can see. So here are lots of features included. There is campaigns, freebies, offers, leads, traffic, multiple income, traffic booster, banner design, passive income, ticket maximizer. So first you have to create a campaign. Means you have to create a funnel. Okay. So just go to campaign sections and then create a new campaign. There are lots of customizable template already given. So it has already customizable template on the dashboard, so you can choose from. This. So now you can click on any preview section of the template. So just click on preview, just see how it looks. And see, you can change any of the sentence there, and you can change the from also. Okay, so now use template, then it's named there affiliate cashback. Okay, so save and builder. Just go to save and builder, means you can build or recreate the template. So it's loading, just give me a second. And it's loading still, just it takes time, my internet is slow, so don't worry about that, it will show up. Okay, so here are the many customizable templates. You can see, you can choose any of these, and there are lot of variation, there are a lot of variation. So I think it's loading. It's still loading. So you can choose from, you can see that the dashboards, where the total campaigns is 17, leads of 4 leads, and campaign unpublished 12 campaign are unpublished. Okay, so from where browser leads, from Chrome or OS leads, from which device you get leads, you can see. So in the dashboard section you can see the whole your campaigns leads or campaigns dashboards. Okay, so now it's loaded. So it is the main page, and it is the thank you page. So just there, click here to download the software, means you can see that, uh, oh, you can see that, just do it, affiliate cashback. Okay, so let's click to my builder, and you can see okay, that's the thank you page. Okay, so just open in a tab like this and go to the dashboard section, just go to the freebies section. You can see that the whole freebies are included, lots of freebies are included. Just right click here and copy link, and just go to the click here download sections and go to the settings, and you can change in the, just enter it. Okay, so this is the clickable link I'll create. So it is the main page, and already I'll include the freebies. Okay, that's the thank you page, and now I have to create, and now it's going to live. Okay, so now click on save button. This is updated successfully. Close this one and go to your campaign section, and you can see affiliate cashback, which I'm not published, but just for demo I'll show you. Okay, so it's not published yet. Okay, so this is the published link. You can see I will create, it takes time, it takes 1 or 2 minutes to publish. So just click this, you can see. Yeah, enter your name. So I am entered an email, get free access. Just get free access and download the free software. When the user click here to download software function, he go to the drive or Dropbox section to download the freebies. So it will a complete funnel making marketing software. So and the creative thing is that you can generate traffic without any cost. Just send to your traffic to your campaigns from here. So you can here, you can design your banner, which will show you on the main page. You can see that you can change the banner. Okay, so you can also, it is a great features to edit your banner designer. And it has reseller rights. If you have take the freebie cash version, then you will get the reseller version also. Okay, so nothing is complex, it's so simple. So I'm going to the pros and costs section. So it's pros, it's a brand new automated software based on the cloud. You can get paid by giving a world class done for you products for free. It has zero product creation, content creation or work required. You can create multiple income streams on complete autopilot, 100% free, high quality traffic generation built in, and 100% beginner filtering. And you can get 100% satisfaction. You can get paid for helping people. uh, it has zero maintenance cost and affordable monthly subscription, just pay once, first proven results. Okay, so now come to the prices. Okay, so now come to the prices. I will show you the complete prices of. So if you freebie cash membership, which is $17 to 13 or $13, $4 coupon available already on their site. I will show you, I will give you the link in my description to get this offer. So its unlimited version is $47 and the DFY is $297. High ticket maximizer is $97. Traffic booster is $167. Franchise license is $297. Passive income masterclass $47. Multiple streams of income masterclass $47. So if you get anyone from this, so you will get the bonuses from my side, which is I will show you the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets. You can learn about the multi-level marketing and how it can help you and your business to develop exponentially. So and the next is the list building expert. To you can be an email list expert and drive your internet business to success. Internet marketing first start, affiliate marketing secrets, 30 days to bigger email list, chatbot marketing mystery and mastery, and you building the perfect sales funnel, how to build the perfect sales funnel, blogging for profit. So you can see the $3,000 bonuses just for free. So don't trap anyone's fake promising. So just check the description and buy from our private links to get $3,000 bonuses. If you buy from our link, then you can contact us by Instagram to get $3,000 bonuses just free of cost. So for 100 users, I will give you the $3,000 just free bonuses. So get it now. If you take the actions, and you can get the offers. Thank you. Thanks for very much. Have a nice day.